Au mai hara mai anō. Welcome to Ngā Pūoro. In this session we're going to be looking at the sounds that you can make with a combination of both the vowels and the consonants and the diphthongs, the NG and WH sound. HA sound is ha. HE, he, ho, and who, as in, who are you? Who. Ka, as in ka. Ke, ki, ko, ku. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu, as in cow moo. Na, ne, ni, as in ni. No, nu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Ra, re, ti, ro, ru. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ngā, nge, ngi, ngō, ngu. Go through that one again because that's a pretty hard combination. Ngā, nge, ngi, ngō, ngu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. The other difficult sound that some people have difficulty with is this sound here. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Because it's a kind of a flick roll off the tip of your tongue. Go through those two again. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ngā, nge, ngi, ngō, ngu. Kia ora.